Hi, everybody. Good news and bad news. Good news is I know what's wrong with my left arm. The bad news is it's a completely torn rotator, which is going to require surgery. I won't know for a couple of days yet the date of the surgery, but anyway, it's going to kind of cramp the style in working on the layup. But anyway, what we're going to be doing over the next probably 3 weeks is I've gone back and kind of cut and pasted the original videos of portions of the Union Station complex, both the station building, the REA Express building, and the bridges, the milk dock, and some of the details about the retaining wall that's along the back wall behind the station. And those will be done in 3 separate videos. The first one will be the Union Station building itself, including the waiting room over the tracks and the passenger platform cover. The second section or second video will be the REA Express complex that's just to the right of Union Station. And then the third video will be the bridges, the milk dock, and probably a little bit about the retaining wall, as I just mentioned a little while ago. But anyway, without further ado, we'll get on with the first one here later today. Bye.